teach you Poisson distribution. So for Poisson distribution, the formula you will be going to apply f of x is equal to e to the power of minus m into m to the power of x divided by x factorial. So this is the formula you will be going to apply when you will be going to do the problems of Poisson distribution. Okay. Again I'll repeat, what is the formula for a Poisson distribution? F of x equals to e to the power of minus m into m to the power of x divided by x factorial. So x factorial, where m equals to mean. Okay. So what is m? M means mean. Where m equals to mean we can also find it with the help of n into p. N into p. X equals to trials. Example 0, 1, 2, so on up to infinity. These are the trials. So m equals to mean. Indirectly we can find the mean with the help of n into p. Okay, n into p. X equals to trials. How many times we do the trials? So that is your x. Now we are going to do the second problem. That is page number G17. Exercise B, second problem. So look at the question. It is known from the past experience that in a certain plant there are average. Average means what? Mean. Okay, average. I'll repeat. Average means what? Mean. Mean means m. Industrial accident per year. Find the probability. So what find? We have to find the probability that in a given year there will be less than 4 accidents. So we have to find out the probability less than 4 accidents. Assume that Poisson distribution. So this value will be given in your question itself only. Okay. So that e to the power of 4. E to the power of 4. So this average 4 value, how much they gave? 0.0183. So this value will be given in your question. Okay. So now we are going to write down the information given. So m equals to how much? 4. Okay. Mean or average, both are same. So mean equals to how much? 4. Then find the probability less than 4 they said. Find the probability less than 4. So where x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? Then e to the power of minus 4. So this value how much they give? They gave 0.0183. Right? So this is your given information. So now first write on the formula. F of x equals to e to the power of minus m into m to the power of x divided by x factorial. So p of x equals to 0. Why 0? Because less than 4 they said. Right? So we going to find out till how many trials? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Not including 4 because less than 4 they said. So p of x is equal to 0 equals to e to the power of minus m. So minus m, how much value? That is 0.0183 into m is how much? 4. Power of x. So here x value how much we have taken? 0. So that will be your power of 0. Now 0 factorial. Okay. So now 0.0183 into 4 to the power of 0. So anything with the 0, it will be 1 only. Okay. And for 0 factorial also 1. Remember, again I'll repeat, 4 to the power of 0, any value for 0 you will be taking as a 1. Same thing for the factorial also, for 0, 0. I am repeating for 0. So 0 you will be going to take 1. So 1 means the value will be 0.0183. Then same thing for P of x equals to 1. So 0.0183 into 4 to the power of x. So x now how much? 1 we are having. Then divided by 1 factorial. So same 4, 1. So how much? Multiply with that 0.0183 into 4 to the power of 1. So it will be 4 only. So multiply with this value. So you will be going to get 0.0732. Then 1 factorial means 1 only. Then P x equals to 2, 0.0183 into 4 to the power of 2. Now 2 factorial. X is equal to 2. So 0.0183 into 4 to the power of 2 divided by 2 factorial. So this you will be going to write 0.0183 into 4 to the power of 2. So it means 4 into 4. 4 into 4. How much? 4 into 4. It will be your 16 divided by 2 factorial. So 2 into 1. Okay. So you will be going to get the answer 0.1464. Now P of x equals to 3 e to the power of 0.0183 into 4 to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial. So this we are going to write 0.0183 into 4 3 times because power is 3. So 4 into 4 into 4. So it will be your 64. Then multiply with that. Factorial will be 3 into 2 into 1. So your answer will be 0.1952. Now you add all the values. You will be going to add all the values. For P of x equals to 0, how much answer we got? 0.183. So this answer. Then for 1, 2, 3. So add all the values. You will be going to get 0.0183 plus 0.0732 plus 0.1464 plus 0.195, 0.433. So therefore probability of getting less than 4 accident equals to 0.433. Next, look at the essay problem. The following table shows the number of customers returning to the product in a marketing territory. The data is for 100 stores. So number of returns. So this is what? N. Okay. So N means what? Number of trials. So how many times they did the trials? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then number of stores means what? Frequency. Okay. Number of stores means what? Frequency. 4, 14, 23, 23, 18, 9, 9. So this is your question. Fit a Poisson distribution. So for doing 16th problem, page number G18. So calculation of Poisson distribution. So first column will be your n, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then second column will be your frequency. For n in bracket we can write it as a x. Okay. For n in bracket we can write as a x. Then second column is frequency. For 0 your frequency is 4. For 1 14. For 2 23. For 3 23. For 4 18. For 5 9. For 6 9. Now add all the frequency values. Okay, from 4 till 9 add all the values. So your n equals to 100. Okay, so your n equals to 100. Now third column will be your fx, f into x. So frequency into n or x. So 4 zeros are 0, 14 ones are 14, 23 2s are 46, then 69, 72, 45, 54. So like that we have calculated fx value. Now add all the fx value. That will be your summation fx equals to 300. Okay. Now after that write down what is our formula for a Poisson distribution. F of x equals to e to the power of minus m into m to the power of x divided by x factorial. So this is our formula, right? So here we don't know the value of m, right? So m value we don't know. So how we can find out our m value? Mean or x bar. So how? Sigma or summation fx by n. So summation fx answer is how much? We got 300. Then n is how much? 100. So 0 0 cancel. It will be 3. Okay. So therefore m equals to how much? 3. So it means that is e to the power of 3. Okay, e to the power of 3 will be 0.04979. Okay, 0.04979. This value so now trials. P to the power of x equals to 0. Now we are going to find out all these trial from 0 to 6. Okay, from 0 to 6 in this formula you will be going to find out. So P of x equals to, so e to the power of 3 we got, na? Into 3 to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial. So I said you 3 to the power of 0 it will be 1 only, and for 0 factorial also it will be 1 only. So your answer will be 0.04979. Then P of x equals to 1. So 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 1. Then 1 factorial. So 3 factorial, 3 to the power of 1, it will be 3 only. So 3 into this value you do. So you will be getting 0.14937. Then p to the power of p of x equals to 2. So 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 2. Now 2 factorial. So 3 to the power of 2. So it means 3 into 3. 0.04979 into 3 into 3. That will be your 9. So multiply 2 factorial. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1. So your answer will be 0.2240. Now p of x equals to 3. 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial. So 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 3, it means 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 27. Then divided by factorial. So it means 3 into 2 into 1. So your answer will be 0.224055. Then p of x equals to 4. 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 4 divided by x equals to 4. So 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial. So 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 4. So it means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Because power is 4, so that's why you will be going to multiply the 3 with 4 times divided by 4 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 0.16804. P of x equals to 5. 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 5 divided by 5 factorial. So 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 5. So it means 3 into 3 into 5 times you have to multiply. So it will be 3 into 3 into 3 to 3. Then divided by 5 factorial. It means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So your answer will be 0.100824. Now P of x equals to 6. So 0.04979 into 3 to the power of 6 divided by 6 factorial. So 0.04979 into 6 times 3 into 3 into, so like that 6 times you have to do. Okay, 6 times you have to multiply the 3 because power is 6. Now 6 factorial will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. then your answer will be 0.05041. So after calculating your trials, the next we will be writing heading as expected frequency. So for expected frequency x, then second column will be n into p of x, n into p of x. So x or n. So how many trials? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are कहाँ से शुरू करना था? So n is how much? After adding the frequency, n we got 100. So 100 into p of x. So p of x for 0, how much answer we got? For 0, answer we got 0.04979. So it means 5. Then for 1, 100 into, for 1 answer how much we got? 0.14937. Then it will be your 15. Then for 100 into 0.22405. So it will be your 22. Then 100 into. So girls, these are the answers. P of x answers. Then 100 into, for 4, how much answer we got? 6804. So it will be 17. Then 100 into, for 5th, we got 0.100824. So it will be your 10. Then for 6th trial, 0.050412. So it will be your 5. So for essay, you have to first find out x, then frequency, then fx. 3 columns you have to make. After that, you have to find out e to the power of m value. So e to the power of m value, how much? This is your e to the power of m value. Then after that, find out your trials, then expected frequency. Thank you.